Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will take you to one of the most famous hill stations in Himachal Pradesh, Dalhousie and Khajiyar, and explore its food and culture with you. So stay tuned till the end of this video. Starting with the route search from Gurgaon, from where we began our journey. It's 614 kilometers and it will take 11 and a half hours. The journey starts from the Western Peripheral Expressway, goes down to Sonipat, Panipat, Ambala. Then we step into Punjab, Ludhiana, Jalandhar, Pathankot and finally to Dalhousie. हमने जर्नी शुरू करी सुबह 1 बजे और नींदें उड़ी हुई थी. मूर्थल में हमने हॉल्ट लिया पराठे खाने के लिए. Dalhousie is 1970 meters above sea level, located in Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh. And it's known for its pleasant climate and natural beauty. Waterfalls was seen on the way. So best time to visit Dalhousie in summers and monsoon from April to September. And believe me, it's a different experience to visit mountains during monsoon. So we preferred a homestay for us rather than a hotel, because at homestay you can have your personal enjoyment plus homely food. So here we reach our homestay, that is Birdwood Cottage, located at 2.5 kilometers from Gandhi Chowk. Let me show you how beautiful property this is. This is the living room. The staircase goes to the rooms, which are again nicely maintained by the caretaker, and he also cooked food for us. And we dropped in on our beds. We took rest on the same day and to recharge ourselves for the next day. Waking up early morning for a natural morning walk. No matter in which part of the town you are, you will be surrounded by Dhauladhar ranges with snow-capped mountains and fragrant trees, especially the pine and oak trees. Dalhousie is ideal for people who want to relax and de-stress. You can take a lazy stroll through the woods or go on a trek, or soak in the old world charm of Dalhousie. For me, traveling means exploring the culture and food of a place. What it means to you? Do let me know in comment section. So on top of my bucket list was Cafe Dalhousie, which is one of the oldest and most popular cafes. It offers South Indian, Chinese and Indian dishes, both vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Do try their famous breakfast menu of scrambled eggs, peanut butter toast and a coffee, or you can also stop in here for a quick evening snack. In desserts, they serve homemade cakes and pancakes. On the second number in the list was Shiva Cafe. Hidden gem in Dalhousie at Panchkula waterfall. It's surrounded by lush green trees and we enjoyed a lot here. If you are looking for a place with natural ambience, some good music, and you are also fond of food such as thin crust pizza, cheese toast, sandwiches with a handmade strong coffee, then go for it. You can also spot these cute rabbits here. With waterfall in front of eyes, we didn't realize when 3 hours passed by. और उसके बाद हम चले खजियार की तरफ। Khajiyar is around 22 kilometers from Dalhousie and it takes 1 hour 5 minutes to reach there. In 1992, Vice Chancellor of Switzerland in India, Willy Blazer, called it as Mini Switzerland. Reason? थोड़ी देर में आपको खुद ही पता चल जाएगा। The specialty is the never-ending landscape with pine trees and mountains all around. And its name is derived from Khajji Nag temple. यहाँ पे हमने लोकल गाने सुने और अच्छा टाइम स्पेंड किया। मौसम बहुत अच्छा था। Films like कुछ कुछ होता है and Blue Umbrella have been shot here. If you love animals and birds, you can also visit Kalatop Wildlife Sanctuary located in Khajiyar. New mornings, new start. सबसे पहले हम पहुंचे Sunrise Point, which comes towards the end of Mall Road. उसके बाद हमने एक्सपीरियंस करी तंदूरी चाय। टेस्ट वाइज इट वॉज ओके, नॉट वेरी गुड, बट द वे इट्स मेड इज really worth to be experienced. Then we went on to Metro Retreat Cafe located at Mall Road. There we enjoyed some good Italian food. If you are near Subhash Chowk, you can visit one of the prominent monument of Dalhousie, the Saint Francis Church, which was constructed in the year 1894 by the army and civil officers and civilians. Since then, the church has been maintained and regulated by the Catholic of Jalandhar. The church is built in the typical British architecture and bears resemblance to many famous churches of England. It was almost evening when we left the church. We decided to take a walk at the Garam Sadak, which is the connecting road between Subhash Chowk and Gandhi Chowk. We came across Tibetan rock paintings made by Tibetan refugees. After spending the day with so much fun-filled activities, we returned to our home. We are tired and we spent the evening at our homestay. Next day we departed from Dalhousie and on the way we paid a visit to Bee Gees Park, which is dedicated to all mothers and it is developed by Dalhousie Public School. It has fighter jets, tanks and missiles. This hill station was established by Lord Dalhousie in 1854. Hence, its architecture dates back to the British era. Alright guys, this was my memorable visit to Dalhousie and Khajiyar. Hope you liked the video. Let me know in comment section. I will be coming up with a new vlog very soon. Till then, stay tuned and live life king size. Bye.